It's 4:02 a.m. and we're getting this day started. So I am currently on 2 hours of sleep. We have probably around a 7-hour drive ahead of us. And the reason we have to get there so early is because my mother and my sister are flying into San Francisco airport. And I think they're getting there around 10:30. We're going to pick them up. And then once we pick them up, we're gonna meet up with my other sister that is currently living there. And we're just gonna have like a trip to celebrate her graduation. Ah oui. Nous avons à la San Francisco, Sacramento. Je suis caffeinete. Oh là là, c'est très bon. C'est muy magnifique. I think muy is Spanish. My bad. C'est très magnifique. Ah oui. Los Angeles? Okay, so we're already passing LA. It's crazy how quickly you can pass LA with no fucking traffic. But that only happens at 5 a.m. Dude, even at 4:48 a.m. Look at the amount of cars out here. It's crazy. At least it's not lonely out here, you know? Oh man. I gotta move out to LA again, bro. I love this city. Jesus on the mountain, Jesus in the streets. Oh my god, I'm so excited for that sunrise, bro. I can't see it anymore. Okay. California is beautiful, bro. Oh my god, it's like red and orange over there. Dude. Okay, so we're driving away from the sunrise. Great. Look at that. Look at that. I'm not gonna lie, that is a very, very underwhelming sunrise. That's not really what I was hoping for, but it's still beautiful, so I'm not complaining. But to give you a little update, I'm not sure where we're at exactly at the moment, but we got 4 hours, like 4.5 hours left. Sun's kind of almost risen, and yeah, I'm using this cruise control with lane keep assist, and honestly, new car technology is where it's at, bro. This is great. I mean, besides the wind noise and the bad speakers, I can't complain. I mean, the ride could be a little more plush. I'm definitely feeling the road vibrations through my butt, which isn't the best feeling in the world, but what? I'm here. Stop tripping out, bro. The sun has officially risen. I don't know if you can see that, but the sun is finally up. Now just 170 more miles of this. Look, check out these bats. Look at these these are all bats. Look at those bats. That's crazy, dude. We are going to make our first stop of the trip, because I need to take a piss real bad. Bro, even out here, premium gas is $4.69. That's crazy. $5.39 from Chevron? Are you kidding me right now? I'm not paying $5.30 a gallon, bro. There's no way. Is Arco gas bad or something? Can we get Arco gas? Like, that's the funny thing about human psychology, right? It's like, if gas is $1 cheaper than the other stuff, it just makes you question the quality of the gas. Front's looking a little dirty. I'm trying to think whether I want to fill up the tires or not. So here's the thing, right? If I turn up the tire pressures, we should get better gas mileage. And probably a better ride on the highway, at least. But then that just means, like, we have to get there, and then I'm gonna have to deflate the tires again. And then, yeah, I don't know. Fuck all that, dude. I'm not. Alright, so I say we get some Starbucks, and then get back on our way, and then just make another stop around San Jose. Yeah, I think making a stop in San Jose would be kind of nice. Dude, that's crazy. We got Tesla charging stations and a whole ass Starbucks drive-through. Has this place always been like this? Interesting. Okay. Imagine charging your Tesla on your way to the road trip. Yeah, couldn't be me. Hi, can I get a grande cold brew? And then, do you have the spinach and feta?
Yeah.
Yeah, can I get one of those? He's looking at me like, why the fuck does that little Asian boy have a GoPro on his head? I don't know, sir. I don't know. I chose this life.
What are all you people doing on the left lane, bro? What are you doing? Put over, bro.
To any of you out there who might not understand these types of things, this is your going lane, okay? I don't know what you call it. This is your lane. The left is the passing lane, okay? So if you're not passing, stay in this lane, bro. Like, what's so hard? Like, you are not passing me. You've been behind me for the past fucking 20 miles. Just fucking switch over, and then when you need to pass me, go over and then pass me and then switch over again. Oh, he heard me. He fucking heard me. My bad, sir. I doubted you. I was a hater. I was wrong. You proved me wrong. Are you gonna do it too? Nah, see, she was a woman. Okay, so I learned something valuable. If I put pressure on the steering wheel with my left foot or with my left leg, I don't have to put my hand on it, and I can just use both hands, and the car thinks I'm still like paying attention, which is great. See, no cars behind me, and now I need to pass, so I'm gonna pass. Sorry, I thought I still had the fucking lane keep assist, but it turned off. Okay. It is kind of insane how like every single Starbucks in existence always tastes the same. That is the whole point of a franchise, I get it, but like it's still kind of crazy how... What the hell? It's like a truck sandwich.
What are you looking at?
I guess you'll have to like and subscribe and find out later.
I'm your only fan.
Stop saying that.
You gotta give me some exclusive.
Hey, look, it's all your moms.
Why is your car making so many beeping noise?
Because every time I look away from the road, it has to let me know that I'm looking away from the road, as if I didn't know. Okay, everyone wants to be fucking speeding, so I guess we'll just be... We'll be speeding too. Why not? Yeah, let's just waste gas. Alright, status report. We are an hour and a half out. I thought we'd be caught in some traffic earlier, but I guess... I mean, we're still 89 miles out, so... We'll see if we get caught in some traffic. The thing is, though, if we don't get traffic, I mean, it's an easier drive, but I'm gonna get there early, and I'm gonna have to wait at the airport, so... Actually, that's fine. You know, I can probably just take a nap. Yeah, nice. Look at these trees. I just wish, like, the grass or whatever was a little bit greener, you know? For those of you that live in California, I don't know if you guys ever notice, but the plants in NorCal are always just a shade darker than Southern California. You know what I mean? It's just like it's a darker tint all around. And it's really interesting. These roads are fun, dude. I kind of wish I brought my BMW. You are braking way too much, brother. Oh my god. Dude, we were going 80 and now we're going 60. You're braking too much. Sir, if you're going to continue driving like that, please switch lanes. Let us through. Oh, thank you. Appreciate it. I hope you didn't see me like doing that, because I feel a little rude now. Yeah, these roads are fun, dude. Ooh, look at that rocky mountain. Damn, these views are immaculate right now. I think this is the first time I'm saying this, but believe it or not, my very first car was the E92 335i, or the E93 because it was a drop top. And I made this trip like 10 times in the E93, and that was a great time, you know, especially in these roads. And like some of those comments that tell me to try out the E92 335i because my E46 is slow, kind of pisses me off, just because like, I know, bro, I had the fucking car, I still miss it. But yeah, it's 8:53 a.m. We're gonna get there. It's still gonna be the a.m. and then we got the whole day in front of us. So, bro, this looks like the Windows background shit, you know? Yeah, I'll probably have like an hour and a half to kill once I get there. So I'll probably just park up and take a nap, bro. I'm fucking tired. Holy shit. Mierda! Oh. Oh. I do have to take a piss, but I think more so than taking a piss, I need to sleep. I really gotta walk all of this to fucking go pee, bro. This is crazy. I have received word that they have arrived, and I didn't get any sleep. Kind of just lied there, reading your comments and responding. And damn, you guys are fucking salty too. Okay. Baggage space, atrocious. That's so much worse than I thought. Oh, so you can do lane keep assist while doing the throttle yourself. The more you know. 이런 거 다 중요해, 엄마. 진짜 너무 어이없는 게 사람들 너무 뜬금없이 너무 싫어해 나를. 지나차 그거 엄청 욕했거든. 근데 이제
그거 갖고 있는 애들이 다 한테 정인 거지.
내가 내 사촌같이 어린 여자애들한테 괜찮은 것 같은데 이 차는 별론 것 같아 하는데 완전 This guy has no idea what he's talking. 쟤도 끼어들었어. 오, GT3 We made it. Why are you embarrassed, my family? Stopped my entire family for this. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
약간 저기네.
Look at that. Look at that. I'm looking forward. They just can't tell. Got my head turned and I'm looking forward. So this is a G20, by the way. G20 video coming soon. Next video, maybe, in the streets of San Francisco. Could happen. But, yeah, we made it. All right.